na-miss ka ng industriya, Miss Princess. And,
Na-miss ko rin siya.
oo nga, oo nga. I know you've been asked this throughout the press conference, no? But maybe describe to us what it was like after all these years coming back to your passion, to your love for acting.
It was really exciting for me to start performing again in front of the camera. It's one thing that really gives me just so much joy in my heart when I perform and when I start trying to make people believe something that's just made up.
Pero namang kaba or excitement talaga? Were there any nerves that were playing around as well? Kasi medyo matagal din na nawala.
Wala naman ako. Hindi naman ako nervous. I was really joyful and excited. I was looking forward to this, and yung talagang before actually nag-start yung tapings, isip ako ng isip para bang iniisip ko kung anong attack ang gagawin ko. So I really look forward to this.
What are some things that parang now you're back and it's iconic? Can we say contribute? I don't know if you mind being called that, but a thing or two that you want to teach the younger generations, and maybe something that you want to also learn from them.
One thing that one thing I keep telling my co-actors na actually pagka tinatanong nila ako is just try to mean what you say. Hindi dahil sa minemorize mo, nasabihin mo na gano'n na lang. Or minsan nag-decide ka na, this is how I'm going to say it. Isipin mo mabuti, natural ba pakinggan yung sinasabi mo? Do you really hear those words being said in real life? Totoo ba yung nararamdaman mo? Kasi iba pagka-organic yung feelings na nararamdaman mo. Pag nararamdaman mo totoo, nadadala mo yung audience. Dahil pag fake na fake yung ginagawa, ang hirap dalhin, kumbaga mahirap tumawid sa screen. Kasi hindi mo maaapektuhan yung puso ng nanonood kung hindi totoo yung ginagawa mo.
Some of the things that you want to learn naman from them.
I'd like to learn how to have more fun.
Too serious? No. Too many, masyadong...
Hindi kasi, I guess siguro it's the time and season in my life. Everything's too serious now in my life. Siyempre, masarap makita yung pagbata pa, everything is fresh, you're just starting out, wala pang masyadong responsibilidad, so you have youth on your side, so everything seems to be easier.
I know, right?
Ma'am,
Pero Miss Princess, meron ka po bang regrets? I mean, I know that this isn't the first time that you've also come back to showbiz, is it? Or after, medyo matagal lang po. Pero may mga pagsisisi po ba?
Wala naman akong pinagsisihan because I knew that there were things that I needed to do dahil meron akong goals na kinailangan ma-accomplish, kaya nawala ako ng medyo matagal. Although I made it a point to come back every 2 years or so. I do guestings, pero wala yung talagang pang matagalan.